gym just doesn't help you to gain muscle, but it helps you train for life. To pick a gym which is very very close by. So gym has been the biggest motivator for me. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be all about gym motivation and the things I wish I knew before I started my gym journey. And I'm still a work in progress and I have a lot of things to accomplish in my fitness journey. I thought I'll share a few of the things that I've been doing and I've been learning. Some of the fitness enthusiasts who have told me and taught me stuff so that it could be helpful to any of you who is starting their fitness journey or wants to track their steps and all of that. So I'm going to share all of those things in this video. I just got done with my leg workout and that's why I look a little bit exhausted. I will just talk about all of the things that I've been doing. Most importantly, it's all about how to stay motivated to go to the gym even when you don't see results, even when you are not getting the exact kind of result or dream body that you want, and how consistency has played a big role in my life.
Most people might only show you results, but I wanted to share process, the real everyday mindset and effort. This is my gym in the morning, a space that has completely changed my energy and mindset. In this video, I'll share 3 important things that kept me going. Finding a workout I love and I'm passionate about, choosing a gym that's close by so I can show up every single day, and wearing what makes me feel good. If you're struggling with staying consistent, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Also, I'm going to be splitting this video into 3 or 4 segments, and the first segment is going to target about gym motivation. So a lot of people ask me, how do you go to the gym every day? I don't have that motivation, or I don't feel like going to the gym. So trust me, no journey is ever linear and every single journey has its ups and downs. And even me, I have been training for 6 to 7 years. I've had my moments where I was like, you know what, nothing is happening, there are no results, I'm not seeing any progress, maybe I should just give up, maybe I'll never be one of those lean and fit people. And I always thought like, okay, but let's just give it one more chance, let's just try one more time. Every time I failed, I'm still a work in progress. So I want to put a disclaimer, I'm not any fitness influencer or an expert. I just thought I'll share my journey because I haven't seen a lot of people who are a work in progress share their journey. So first things first, it's not only the gym, you need to figure out what kind of workout you are into. Before going to the gym, trust me, I've tried all sorts of workouts. So I tried running during my school days and I never enjoyed it. I felt very uncomfortable. At some point I decided, you know what, I'm just not gonna run. Remember, I was a kid, I was like in 5th standard or 4th standard. I used to see couple of people outside the gyms. It's like, oh my god, I want to go into that gym, I want to know what's inside the gym. And gym has always been like fascinating for me. So the most important issue why a lot of people fail in their gym journey is because they expect results too fast, and when they don't see results they just give up. So just like how I did. So gym always used to fascinate me, but I also wanted results very quickly. I was like, it's been 7 days I've been going to the gym and I'm not seeing any result. So you know what, this is not working. So this is how every time I used to like give up on my gym journey. Each time I used to go with so much enthusiasm because I saw it as a result oriented thing than as something that is supposed to be my lifestyle. Which I do not see my gym journey anymore as like a task that I need to complete and then I can enjoy for the rest of my life. I see gym as breathing right now. So here's where you need to figure out, are you a gym person? Are you somebody who enjoys working out? Because if you're someone who hates going to the gym, and if you force yourself to go to the gym and you're not going to enjoy that, there are different form of workouts. So how I navigated there is I realized after my college I only enjoy gym. Every time I would like take a break from the gym or give up because I didn't see results, I would have that urge in me to go to the gym. At some point, I just stopped going to the gym to become skinny. I decided, you know what, I just love going to the gym. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna work out, and I'm just gonna figure it out from there. So this is something that worked out for me. Every single time I thought of giving up, I decided one more time. I was like, let's give it one more shot. I made a promise to myself. I will never stop going to the gym. So I made this promise to myself that I don't care what happens, I don't care how old I'm gonna be or what may come. So my opinion is your workout should make you feel like that. Like, I have seen athletes, I have seen people who run, who do yoga, they have a passion. So I believe that passion and motivation are very closely related. The gym has been the biggest motivator for me, so I don't even need motivation to go to the gym. The gym itself is a motivation for me. It all connects together. So that's why I mentioned about all of the instances. Even at a small age, it had a deep impression on me. So passion, motivation is sorted. People always wonder how to stay motivated. So there's no secret. You just need to figure out which is the right workout for you and stick to that plan, and not only focus on results. I was genuinely a person who was only after results. It's like the body that you live in, you're going to spend the maximum time there. So you need to sharpen it every day. You're good to go. No, it's an every single day you have to invest in your body. You can also try, if you're somebody who wants to go to the gym but you don't feel like motivated but you still feel like going to the gym, I would really suggest you to choose a gym which is very close to your house. So I also do this trick. So first is passion for your workouts, passion for sticking for the kind of workout that you've chosen. The second way to stay motivated at the gym is to pick a gym which is very, very close by, so that even if you're late, even if you have work, and if you're like, feeling like it's almost the end of the day, if your gym is like 2 minutes or 5 minutes away from your house, you will still be able to go. Okay, the third trick is going to be investing in good gym clothes. So a lot of people have asked me where I get my gym clothes from. It's because the better you look, the more comfortable you are, the better you feel, the better your workout will be. I can prove this. Like, you just wear a dirty t-shirt or a shorts and you wear a little bit of a cleaner clothing and a freshly washed or clothing that has come from the laundry, you will see a drastic difference in your mood. So coming to the end of segment 1 this is how I stay motivated at the gym. So I started off with having a passion as a child. I looked up to people. So I feel like I was always meant to go to the gym. I'm meant to train at the gym. So choose your workout, choose the workout plan that you're passionate about, where you want to go irrespective of the results, so that you can stay consistent in the gym. And choose a gym that is very close to your house so that you can show up every day, and invest in at least 2 to 3 good quality gym wear or athleisure or even a basic t-shirt. Just go with a fresh face, have a cup of coffee or something, and you're good to go. So this is the part about motivation that I wanted to share. So all of this is from my heart, and whatever I do to stay motivated at the gym. I also think surroundings is pretty important. I also wanted to talk about that. So the people who are surrounding me in my gym, even in my past gyms, I have only looked up to people and got influenced by the right kind of people who are very disciplined, who show up every day. I want to end the segment by telling that gym just doesn't help you to gain muscle or lose weight, but it helps you train for life. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It was great coming here and talking about my personal experience, and I actually feel really good sharing all of this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.